Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Victoria's Secret stock as it is soaring after breaking off on its own just last week. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Like I said, today we are talking Victoria's Secret. Their stock just broke off on its own last week and has been soaring since. So we're going to take a look at some of the rebranding strategies that the company has and what analysts are predicting for their stock's future as we head towards their next earnings report. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Okay, let's get right into this Victoria's Secret stock. Trading under the ticker VSCO, it's currently priced at nearly $68 per share after soaring more than 29% in its first days of trading. It is up almost 18% just today. And like I said, the stock just began trading on its own last week. It was on August 2nd that the L Brands completed the separation of the Victoria's Secret business into an independent public company through a tax-free spin-off to L Brands shareholders. So this created the new company named Victoria's Secret & Co. In connection with the separation, L Brands changed its name to Bath & Body Works and now trades under the ticker symbol BBWI. Now, these changes are just part of the many changes that are being made by Victoria's Secret. They recently announced a new board, which is mostly populated by women, and they're focusing on a new woman-first approach. They say that they are repositioning their brand because they lost relevance with the modern woman. She told us to change our focus from telling her what's sexy and how to look to being there to help her craft the story she wants to shape for herself. They say to win her back, we will celebrate and inspire her to support her desire to show up however she damn well chooses. They're now defining 3 phases in their journey, with growth years between 2009 to 2015, now looking at 2016 to 2019 as execution missteps, and now rebuilding the foundation. This new approach highlights empowerment and diversity, and they bring in a different brand ambassador panel. They're including U.S. soccer player Megan Rapinoe, actor, producer, and author Priyanka Chopra Jonas, and Paloma Alcacer, a model and body positive advocate. So a lot of changes for Victoria's Secret as they replace their very well-known angels and look to bring some cultural relevance back to the brand. They have approximately 27 million total active customers in North America, with 57% of these customers having shopped online in the last year. They also have 6.2 million active Victoria's Secret app customers and 6.3 million active VS credit card holders. Taking a look at their trailing 12 months ending after their last quarterly report, they saw $6.1 billion in net sales with an adjusted EBITDA of $919 million. They have $2.4 billion in e-commerce business with a 43% digital penetration. Now, despite their missteps over the last few years, they are still the #1 U.S. lingerie brand with about a 20% market share. Their recent actions have driven significant improvement as their adjusted EBITDA has improved $425 million for this trailing 12 months compared to the year of 2019. Now, of course, looking at 2020, specifically Q1 of 2020, they were in the red. So for their upcoming Q2 report, they're expecting some significant improvement as they're estimating over $285 million in increase in adjusted operating income. That Q2 earnings report, it's scheduled to come out on August 19th at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. And you bet that a lot of analysts will be paying close attention to this first report at the new spun-off company. But analysts are already taking note. We have 7 analysts who have initiated price targets just within this last week for the Victoria's Secret stock. All 7 of those analysts come in with a strong buy rating. Their average price target comes out to $86.57, which would be about a 28.5% upside potential for this next year. Taking a look at our detailed list of analyst forecasts, we do have a couple unranked analysts there, but the remainder are 4- and 5-star analysts. On the low end, we have a $76 price target, which would still be an almost 13% upside potential, and on the high end, a $100 price target from Matthew Boss at JP Morgan. This would be a 48% upside potential. Hearing from Wells Fargo, their analyst wrote that while our prior bull thesis on L Brands had been predicated on hidden value for the robust Bath & Body Works concept, at current levels we now view Victoria's Secret as the underappreciated asset with the more compelling story. We also heard from analysts at MKM Partners, whose price target pegged it at a 30% growth potential. They stated that versus other historical recovery stories in retail that tend to have a 12 to 24-month waiting period before strategies are monetized, meaningful evidence of a turnaround at Victoria's Secret is already underway. That said, we see significant growth for both sales and margins as the company is still in an early stage of improving its merchandising and has only recently launched new branding and marketing initiatives, which we believe will serve as catalysts to improve Victoria's Secret's competitive positioning, brand image, and drive new customer growth. So it seems we have some pretty bullish outlook from these 7 analysts so far, and it'll be interesting to see if we have some more analysts weigh in following that August 19th Q2 earnings report. Now, I want to hear from you guys and your thoughts on this. Do you think this rebranding is going to continue sending the Victoria's Secret stock onwards and upwards, or do you think all of this excitement out of the gate has already captured all of that growth potential? Make sure you let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes. Always make sure you're doing your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. If you made it all the way to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you back here next time.